Hi guys, I just received a new Cisco 7821 and I'm going to unbox it. So let me check how can I unbox it. Okay, here we go. So this is all the stuff inside the box with the new phone. This is the documentation. Actually, yes, this is the documentation to set up the phone hardware. How can we? You can see here. Yeah, here we go. Okay, what is this? Okay, actually, 7821 is from the 7800 Cisco phones family, and this is the one with multi-platform, or you can simply know this phone as the 3PCC version. This is the 3PCC phone version. Okay, so this is totally sealed. You can see that totally a sealed pack. So here we go. This is a brand new Cisco 3PCC 7821. See here. See. Okay. What's inside? We have. I think this is a patch cord to boot up the phone from the PoE switch, a network cable, you can say that. And then here is the stand of this phone. So I really like the stand of this phone. And this is very sportive and easy to adjustable. So okay. Just need to put the pressure. That's it. Okay, you can see. Actually, we need to put some pressure. Here we go. You can see. And this is actually the handset. And this is the cable to connect the handset. There you go. Simply just plug it here, and then the back of the phone. At the back of the phone here. Okay. This is how Okay, so this is it. It's set up. I'm going to make another video in which I can do a complete boot up of this phone, and I'm going to plug it and then boot up this phone. Okay, thank you so much.